Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some home decor using the Dollar Tree jute core. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree little planner packs. 4 of these come in a pack. They also have another one that's 3 in a pack, and they're bigger than this, but I decided to use this size. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue these together, like bottom to bottom. I'm using hot glue. I will be using this jute cord that I already had, and I got this I think from Walmart, but I'm showing you right here that you can use a Dollar Tree nautical rope. Now if you use a Dollar Tree one, you're going to wrap this around a lot faster than if you were to do it with like a thinner rope. You are going to take a couple of minutes to just glue this all around. And this is how it looks. As you can see, this rope was kind of fuzzy, and to clear it up a little bit, I'm using my lighter. Just be very careful when you do this. You don't want to catch on fire. And that is it. To finish it off, you just want to add some greenery to this, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Before I continue, I do want to mention that this is part of a challenge that is hosted by my friend Fanny by Creations by Fabi, and her co-host for April is Zaina from OK at Home DIY. I'll have the link down in the description box for the playlist. There's going to be tons of people that are going to do decor using twine. For my next project, I will be using this 8x8 canvas that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the plastic, the staples, and the canvas part. Then I'm going to paint the frame using the Waverly Antique Wax. So now I'm going to flip the frame around. Then I'm going to use the Dollar Tree jute core and glue it on the back. But I am going to do like zigzag. I'm going to just keep doing it over and over again until the entire back is filled. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 of the Dollar Tree nautical ropes and my Sure Bonder silicone mat, which is perfect to work with hot glue. Now I'm going to start by just wrapping around the jute twine like a little snail. I'm going to go round and round until I get like maybe 2.5 inches big. Then I'm going to start gluing it around, but this time I'm going to going up like on the side. And you want to make sure that most of the hot glue, you put it like on the inside so all the hot glue part doesn't look back on the other side. What I'm making is a planter, but without nothing inside, like as a guide. I'm just going to do it like this. And this is how it looks with one rope. Now I'm going to continue and add a second one to make this taller. And that is it. The last thing I'm going to do is just add some greenery. Look how cute this planter turned out. For my next project, I will be using a recycled cardboard that I got from Amazon. Now, if you don't have a cardboard nearby, you can always use the Dollar Tree foam boards instead. Now, I'm going to use two different circles to make a wreath out of this. I use this Dollar Tree round circle, and then I use a smaller little one that I had. I felt like this was too thick, so I used a different size of wood circle just to make it a little bit bigger, like the inside part. Once I was finished, I just cut this out. And this is how it looks once I cut it out. Now I'm going to use 3 of these nautical Dollar Tree ropes, which I'm going to start to glue them around my little wreath form. So the nautical ropes do have a piece of tape on each end. I do end up removing them. So the way I'm going to glue like the first part is I'm going to glue it like almost at the very edge. So like that, you don't see the cardboard once you flip it around. And then I'm going to just continue gluing it all around until I get to the end. So each time I started a new rope, I made sure that it was on the same side where I had started, like the beginning. So like all of the little parts where the two ropes meet, it's in one side. And this is how it looks once I had finished wrapping the entire wreath form. For some reason my wreath was a little bit crooked. I think it's when I did the circles. So I am going to cut off the extra cardboard. Now I do want to mention that because I started the ropes on the same side, I used less than 3 ropes. I probably used like 2 3/4 of it. So now I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to now use the Dollar Tree wire jute cord to make some little designs out of this. I make like little rolly swirls, and I made 2 different designs. And this is how they look. Now the one that looks like an S, I do end up making it bigger. So now I'm going to glue these to my wreath, and I'm going to use this bigger one to cover all the little imperfections where the nautical ropes met. So that is what's going to cover it. I do end up gluing those rolly sword things first, and then I added these jute flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And that is it. Look how beautiful this wreath turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go check out the playlist and let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, And until next time, bye.